Good morning, beautiful people. So it is Saturday, August 8th, and I am in Miami. I leave for to go to the port. I have to be at the port at about 1:30. So we will be there. I got up. My boyfriend is just in the bed sleeping. Travel days are always like those days that are kind of like, I don't count them as vacation days because you're so tired. The planes, getting ground transportation to get to where you have to go or whatnot. So I'm just sitting out here at the hotel that we stayed in last night and just soaking in a little bit of sun, getting some fresh air. I got my Starbucks coffee with me this morning, and yeah, just enjoying this beautiful weather and some alone time. I mean, it's always nice to like be with your person, but it's also nice just to have that peace and quiet. So that's what I'm doing.